Now it's time to promote your product. Because if you don't promote a product, especially a new one, they probably won't get much attention, and many of those products, maybe 95%, will fail to make a significant sales. Because getting a product in front of the right customers can be a very big challenge. So, are you ready to sell your first product? You have to be mentally ready. Say, I'm ready. Say, I'm ready. Okay, let's go. So now before we move on with our campaign, let's talk about different ways to promote your product. We will cover some paid and free traffic sources you want to use, especially if you want a global reach for your product. This is traditional marketing with focus on email, and then maybe postal mail, and then maybe some kind of television ads. But our focus is also email, which is still a significant traffic source, but as well as social media. So let's go with paid traffic method first. So everybody is talking about Google ads, Facebook ads. Those are great. But I think that the gold mine is where other people aren't focusing on. But let's check this common one first. So Google Ads is an online advertising platform developed by Google where advertisers can place ads both in the results or search engine like Google Search and on non-search websites, mobile apps and videos. And next we have Facebook ads. It's very similar concept with Google. After placing your ad and add proper targeting for users, they can see your ads in the sidebar of Facebook feed on the facebook.com. And now we have Pinterest ads. That are regular pins that you could pay to be placed where people are most likely to see them. These pins will surface in your desired audience, home feed, category feeds, and relevant search results. Then we have Snapchat ads. They are fully screened vertical video ads that can be up to 10 seconds long. Snapchat users can swipe up anytime when the video ads is playing. For more, let's say watch a longer video or read an article, install an app or visit a website. If your product targeting a younger population, then this paid traffic method would be a smart decision because Snapchat has over 38 million monthly users. And then we have Twitter ads. Running Twitter ads is more holistic campaign using multiple groups or tweets to accomplish a single goal for your brand. Depending on your objective, Twitter ads can be display your username in places other than users' newsfeed, such as who to follow, sections to the right on their Twitter homepage. So it's very popular because Twitter has almost 6 billion monthly users. So if you want the global reach, this might be one of the options. And now we have LinkedIn ads. It's business-to-business advertising program giving you a chance to connect with audience members who are happy to engage when they are in a business mindset. And then we have Quora ads. Run a cost-per-click based model powered by real-time auction. After setting up targeting, advertisers they can set their cost per click bid and can easily adjust it based on performance. And then we have Instagram ads. There are posts or stories that a business pays to promote a user Instagram feeds. They can look just like a regular Instagram post, but they are always identified by a sponsored label. They can also include a call to action button to drive traffic or conversions. And now I have push notifications. They are great if you are on low budget. You can get clicks less than 1 cent per click. Push notifications is a small notification that pops up on your mobile device or personal computer. You must have noticed that when you visit a website on your phone or computer, you get a notification asking you to allow or block messages from this site. If you accept these requests, you will start receiving push notifications from that site. And last but not the least, native ads. They are often found in social media feeds or as recommended content on a web page. Unlike display ads or banner ads, native ads don't really look like ads. They look like part of the editorial flow of the page. The key to native advertising is that it's not disruptive. It exposes the reader to advertising content without sticking out like a score thumb.